Hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, JIAT. Dang hot! I don't know. There's a new thing in Bob Evans, and that's the song on the internet. It's called Dang Hot Chicken. It's like a sandwich, I think. I don't know. I just know it's called Dang Hot. I figured that's pretty cool. I'll do that for a review because it's dang hot. We gotta do things that are kind of interesting sometimes to do these reviews. All right. Let's see what we got in here. All right. Dang hot. Dang hot. Let's see where. All right. They gave me a bunch of ketchup. I don't know why. I don't even. Well, I guess I did get fries. All right. I don't know, man. All right. I'm thinking Bob Evans isn't gonna have something so hot that your face is gonna melt. I'm hoping not. Grilled brioche bun? No. No. Grilled brioche bread. Toasted bread. Brioche. Oh, and it's got. Well, it's hard to explain. Well, it's got a bunch of coleslaw. I didn't realize there was coleslaw on it. That kind of stinks because I don't like coleslaw on sandwiches. That's not my thing. I don't roll like that. I don't need coleslaw on sandwiches. But then there's chicken, and there's a bunch of. I think there's a lot of sauce, and it's a couple tenders. I don't think it was tenders, but I guess maybe it was. They're big tenders. And like I said, I don't know how to do it to show it to you because now it's all covered with stuff, but I don't know. Whatever. I'm already disappointed by the sandwich. All right. Here we go. Ooh, man, what a mess. Yikes. Yikes. That, I just got this, and that piece of bottom bread is disintegrated. It's disintegrated. It's just a, it's just a mush. Ah, oh, Jesus Christ. All right. See, I mean, whatever. I don't know. I guess it's something you have to get right there on the plate. I mean, that is pretty hot. Mm. Um, but like I said, I don't like coleslaw on sandwiches. I wish they would have put it on the side. This was just mush. There are some pretty tasty flavors in here. But I don't know. They're kind of mixed up. The chicken's good. That heat is really, that's actually heating me up. I don't like the coleslaw, but there's a couple different sauces on it. They're like ranch and like barbecue. They're good. Woo! Oh my goodness. Well, I mean, some things I guess aren't designed to be delivered. This, like, I just got this. And the bottom is destroyed. It's destroyed. And I don't like that. I just want to enjoy the sandwich, but I also think maybe it's supposed to be, woo, kind of hot. I think it's supposed to be enjoyed almost like with a fork and knife. Oh, there's a lot of heat. There's actually a big old pile of pickles too. I don't know, but this is the dang hot chicken sandwich at Bob Evans. I mean, it's not anything awesome, but it will burn your mouth. It almost right to the very, you know what? It actually does. It burns your mouth a little bit, and it's uncomfortable. I took 2 or 3 bites of it, and my mouth is still pretty burned up. So I don't know, and I don't like that either. I honestly thought Bob Evans was going to be like, let's be cool with it, add a nice little spice, but nothing ridiculous, and it's ridiculous. So I do not recommend this. I think you should go to Popeyes and get their ghost pepper wings when they're temporarily out there, because those are good. These are like, this is, coleslaw sucks. I mean, coleslaw is good separate, but not on the top of the sandwich. Why would I put coleslaw on my sandwich? Dude, put it on the cracker. I guess this is, I mean, it's a good piece of chicken, but you gotta dig it out of all that. I'm gonna say, I'm sorry, Bob's. And my wife worked at Bob Evans for years and years and years. I love Bob Evans. This, I don't know why they did this, because the sandwich is, the bottom is destroyed. It's literally just a piece of mush. Why would you do that? That doesn't even make any sense. I just picked the sandwich up. 6.4. Love you guys. Love you, babe.